In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate bulk images in Google AI Studio. To get started, open your browser and go to Google AI Studio. If you're starting from a search results page, simply look for the official Google AI Studio link and click into it. This will take you to the main workspace where you can begin creating image outputs. Once you're inside Google AI Studio, click on the image option. This is important because it switches your workspace into image generation mode, so you're using the right tools for creating visual content instead of a standard text-only setup. After that, choose a model. The model you select will determine how your image requests are processed, so take a moment here to make sure you're using an image-capable model. If you see multiple options, just pick the one that supports image generation for your project. Next, type in your prompt or paste in a prompt if you already have one prepared. This is where you describe the images you want to create. For bulk image generation, it helps to keep your prompt clear and specific so the results stay consistent. If needed, you can refine your wording before running it, especially if you want a certain style, subject, or look across multiple outputs. Once your prompt is ready, click Run. Google AI Studio will then process your request and begin generating the images based on the instructions you provided. Depending on your prompt and the model you selected, this may take a few moments. And that's the full process for generating bulk images in Google AI Studio. The key is to make sure you're in the image workspace, using the correct model, and giving the system a strong prompt before you run it. If you want better results, spend a little extra time improving your prompt wording, since that often makes the biggest difference in the final images.